Welcome back to another episode of Mental Health Madness, where mental health and politics collide. I'm your host, Richard Waldman. I'm a life coach, clinical pastor, veteran, speaker, and author of Your Guide to a Better Way of Thinking. We are in the middle of a case study that has been going on since 2008, when Barack Hussein Obama said on multiple occasions, "We are going to fundamentally transform America." I kept thinking, what is he talking about? Now we know. It was creating a system with our government whose goal was to slowly strip away our liberty and freedom, and hope that one day it would deliver to the left the Holy Grail, the power to control everyone and everything that is still alive, as noted by the radicals who have picked up and are now running with the baton. So much so, the left decided to take a risk to see where they stood with the American people by shutting down the government and then blaming the Republicans and President Trump for the shutdown. The primary weapon the left is using is blame. In the left's mind, blaming the Republicans makes the Republicans look wrong, which in turn, in the left's mind, makes them look right. We are in a situation where all hands need to be on deck, meaning President Trump should be leading the charge. After all, our president has the greatest weapon of all, the truth. I believe the reason why the Republican caucus is in disarray is because they have not practiced working as a team, nor do they have the talking points that can move the masses. The best way to market any product or idea is through education. The left's resume is a train wreck. Everything they have endorsed has either died or caused great harm, like Obamacare and the Inflation Act of 2022 that caused massive inflation. The sun's rays do not burn until they are brought to a focus. And the commandant has been around for approximately 110 million years for one reason and one reason only. They work together. And it's time for the Republicans to focus on educating their constituents to the fact that every program the left has endorsed has caused pain and suffering, which raises a question. Why would you vote for anyone who has no respect for you, lies to you, will destroy your property, and who may physically attack you if you disagree with them? And the final straw is, why would you vote for someone who has proven over and over they are not to be trusted? It's time to unveil what is really going on in the left's inner world, so we who love liberty and freedom can have a better outer world. At the end of the day, everything comes down to the same truth. If we don't take control of our thinking, someone else will. And what the left is doing right now is a perfect example of how destructive thinking creates destructive outcomes. But as a Brainyites, we don't live in fear. We live in the present moment, the point of power, where we live by awareness, choice, and connection. That's how we protect our liberty and freedom, our families, and our future. I want to thank you for joining me. My name is Richard Waldman, reminding you to quiet the chatter, trust the truth, and walk boldly into the life that God intended. Until next time, have a great day.